Hi, my name is Masha Safina. Currently, I lead product at the startup in Chicago. My career was not traditional. I studied physics in school, but then I switched within time into front-end development, and I worked at the small agency who helps startups where I was developing and designing, and then within time I just got into product design, and that's where I am now. So you're gonna learn how to spin a new project and maybe fix an old one, successfully bring it from the beginning to the finish line as a product designer, working on a small team, being you. You will learn how to use some tools and methods, what we product designers use, and get some actionable feedback. And at the end, maybe you will get a nice piece for your portfolio, which you would be proud of. Product design, especially in a small organization, is a lot of things. It's UI, UX, strategy, research, testing, QA, and even code sometimes. So it's a great opportunity for people to learn about the whole process of building the digital app or the digital product from the beginning to end. So you can tap into all the different areas and know what it takes and maybe find your niche. It's a lot of responsibility. You take actions, you implement them, you see how they affect your team, your product, and the users, and it's great. It takes a lot of courage, but you have your team, so it's a lot of collaboration, so I think it's awesome. I'd be happy if people will learn a new skill or maybe get a boost of confidence because of the work we've done. I will be able to bring a team member from my team, and maybe you can actually get a real feeling of how it works, like how to get a design feedback from your team members from different departments, for example, like product manager or designer. Most importantly, I hope that everyone can walk away with a nice portfolio piece. It's important to showcase not only your past work, but also to paint a nice picture of your future self and showcase your potential. What I like about Chicago design community that it's really diverse and inclusive, so you can find so many different people from different diverse work backgrounds, so it's really nice to connect with all of them and just to get their perspective and be part of it.